Hey guys, it's Vera Sweeney from Lady in the Blog, and I went to Trader Joe's because I'm making chicken noodle soup tonight, but I picked up so many new things that I hadn't seen before. I figured I'd just do a Trader Joe's haul. So let me run through some of the stuff and just show you what I got. So first up, I thought these were new, tandoori garlic naan. They usually have regular naan, but I haven't seen the garlic naan before. I got 2 packages of this. This is really great. If you want to make pizza at home, you make the kids make their own pizza. I'm all about that. I already have the shredded mozzarella and the marinara sauce, so I really only needed the bread, so that was pretty much done. These were new. These are ketchup flavored Spud Crunchies. And I had a conversation with like 2 people that were inside the store, and I asked them. I was like, all right, fess up, what are these like? Are these good? Do you like them? Have your children tried them? And both people said that they just taste like ketchup with French fries on them, but super crunchy and dehydrated. And they're gluten-free, just in case you're into that sort of thing. So I gave it a shot. They honestly had these stationed everywhere you turned. This was the hot item of the day, and I only need to see something twice before I get suckered into it, so I bought it. For the chicken noodle soup, I picked up some tomatoes, cucumber just for the side for a salad, diced yellow onions because I'm super lazy when it comes to onions. I know a lot of people save money on things, but onion chopping, I will pay for that. I always buy my onion pre-chopped. Do not judge me, that's just what I do. Baby peeled carrots. My kids love the Trader Joe's marshmallows, like more so than almost any other brand. I don't like these marshmallows at all, but I don't know why. Everyone in my family really likes these marshmallows. So if you haven't tried out their marshmallows yet, they usually have them in a station right next to the food, the meats, which is weird if you think about it, but that's where they are. This I thought was new too, vegan kale, cashew, and basil pesto. My daughter took a cooking class and she is so into pesto right now. Every single time we go out to eat, she gets pesto. She wants to make her own pesto, and yes, we're all about that. But I thought it would be nice just to have some pesto on the side in case she wants to make her own pasta for a meal. Again, something new, Italian bomba, hot pepper sauce, fermented crushed Calabrian chili peppers, not for me, for my husband. My husband likes it hot. He puts pepper and hot sauce, and I always find it insulting, actually. I make him something and then he puts hot sauce on it, and I'm like, you just don't like how I cook because everything you put hot sauce on it. But this I thought was interesting because it has you know, it's like chili peppers, but they're fermented, and it looks like a really good something that you could put over bread or chicken. I don't know. We're gonna play around with that. I'm curious to see what that tastes like too. I love making artichoke hearts in the oven. I bake these, and then you can put just drizzle a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's all you really need. If you want, you can put some, like, I don't know what you want to put on top of that. I'm really simple when it comes to artichoke hearts, but I have 2 of these, and I usually just make it as a side. This is for my chicken noodle soup tonight, as well as the celery. By the way, I haven't bought macaroni in forever. I usually get like rigatoni, fusilli, penne, and this is the first time that I've seen the word macaroni in probably 10 years. So I thought that was funny. I was like, I haven't purchased macaroni in a really long time. If you've watched my Trader Joe's videos, you know I'm a crushed garlic kind of girl. I don't like to peel garlic. Garlic and onions are the plague to I just don't like doing this in the kitchen. I cook almost every single night and during the week, not on the weekends, but like every night I use garlic and onions. This is what I do. No matter what I make, somehow garlic and onions get in it, and I don't like preparing them. So I pay to have them done, and I'm okay with that. I showed you the celery. We're really big on guacamole here, so I got some chips and guacamole, but these are 6 serving sizes, so I figured if the kids are looking for a snack, they could sort of take one and go. I love Trader Joe's sourdough bread. I don't know if you've tried this particular bread yet, but it's pretty good. I'm a big sourdough girl. I'm sure it has more calories and all of that, but I just don't want to talk about that right now. And then last but not least, the last new thing that I found, and this is why none of my clothes fit, is pancake bread. A twist on a buttermilk short stack baked into a sweet, moist loaf. How could I have resisted this? Pancake bread. Pancake bread. It's like the two things I like all coming together into one. I have no idea what this is going to taste like. I feel like we'll have it for breakfast tomorrow. We'll give it a shot. It's obviously a dessert. It was sort of in the dessert aisle, but I'm just going to pretend that this is like a Dunkin' Donut, and we're going to have it for breakfast in the morning. And that's, oh, and I got the chicken for the chicken noodle soup tonight. And that's it. I guess I'm going to serve a little bit of the sourdough bread on the side, and I will make a video of how I make the soup as well. It's super easy. Normally, I usually get a roasted chicken and totally cut out this part, but Trader Joe's doesn't sell roasted chickens. I love Trader Joe's, but sometimes they really missed a mark on some of my favorites. And the roasted chicken, which every supermarket sells for like 99 cents, you know, and a high five, Trader Joe's doesn't sell that, and I really wish that they did. But so I'm just gonna have to cook the chicken tonight in a separate pan, and that's fine, and it is what it is. But I look forward to showing you that. That's my haul. Let me know if any of these are up your alley, and until next time.